How to set signing order for an envelope. After logging into your account, click the Create New Envelope drop-down from the navigation bar and select Upload a new file. Scroll down and go to Add Signers and Viewers section. Over here, enter the details of the signer, like name and email address. You can change the role from this drop-down menu if you want. You can also add envelope creator notes if you want. Click on Add New Row to add multiple signers. Enter the details of the second signer. Now to set signing order, click on the checkbox over here. To move the second signer upwards, click on the arrow over here. You can rearrange multiple signers using this feature. That's it for today. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.